In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best car dash cameras available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the car dash cameras list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the car dash cameras mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, OBDPEAK H6 12-inch Car DVR 4K. The OBDPEAK H6 12 Car DVR 4K combines a large display with 4K resolution, a rear-view mirror, and essential features like Wi-Fi and GPS. The 1080p rear-view camera enhances overall visibility, particularly when reversing or maneuvering. The park monitor function adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring continuous surveillance even when the vehicle is parked. With video recording capabilities, this dash cam captures crucial moments on the road, providing a reliable and comprehensive record of your journeys. The OBDPEAK H6 is a practical and versatile choice for drivers seeking a dash cam that prioritizes performance and safety. Number 4, WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch IPS dash camera. The WOLFBOX G840S 12 IPS dash camera offers a large and vibrant display, with an immersive 4K rear-view dash cam and dual cameras for comprehensive monitoring. Equipped with GPS, video recording capabilities, and night vision, this dash camera ensures clear and detailed footage in various driving conditions. The parking monitor feature enhances security when the vehicle is stationary, providing continuous surveillance and peace of mind. With a focus on both functionality and design, the WOLFBOX G840S is a reliable choice for drivers seeking a feature-packed and visually appealing dash camera. Number 3, VIOFO A229 Plus 2K HDR Car DVR. The VIOFO A229 Plus Car DVR stands out for its advanced features, including 2K HDR video recording and the integration of the Sony Starvis 2 sensor. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures high-speed connectivity, facilitating quick and seamless data transfer. With GPS and voice control functionality, it adds an extra layer of convenience for users who value precise location tracking and hands-free operation. The night vision capabilities, coupled with the sleek design, make the VIOFO A229 Plus a standout choice for those looking for a high-performance dash camera with sophisticated technology and a sleek design. Number 2, EACE 12-inch 4K Car DVR Mirror. The EACE 12-inch 4K Car DVR Mirror combines cutting-edge technology with practical functionality. Its 4K resolution promises stunning video quality, while the integrated GPS and Wi-Fi capabilities add a layer of convenience and connectivity. The IPS screen ensures clear and vibrant visuals, making it an ideal companion for daily commutes or long journeys. Acting as both a rear-view mirror and a dual-car camera system, the EACE 12-inch mirror dash cam offers comprehensive coverage and documentation of your driving experiences. With its sleek design and black box recording features, it's a sophisticated solution for those seeking top-tier performance in a dash cam. Number 1, AZDOME PG17 Dual Dash Camera. The AZDOME PG17 Dual Dash Camera stands out with its impressive 11.8-inch full touchscreen, delivering an immersive and user-friendly interface for effortless operation. Boasting a high-resolution 2K video recording capability, this mirror dash cam ensures exceptional clarity in capturing details on the road. Its night vision technology enhances visibility during low-light conditions, promoting safety around the clock. The addition of a backup camera furthers its utility, providing comprehensive coverage for your vehicle's surroundings. With a sleek design seamlessly integrating into your car's aesthetics, the AZDOME PG17 is a reliable and stylish choice for those prioritizing advanced features and ease of use.